Welcome back to the channel, folks. I want to thank you for tuning in here. So I just want to kind of give a little background story on this vehicle that I brought home a couple months ago. Not running. I'll just go over the ad here quickly. Bought it from Facebook. Just go over the description here. Not running. Car lost connection to the keys during an ECU update. Had a rough auto before. ECU update supposed to fix it. Car has to be towed. That's basically it. Now I made an offer was accepted, got it towed home, and it's been here for a couple months. You can see I got the front tires off here. Let's start to do the brakes. Pretty good deal, super clean on the outside, super clean on the inside, low mileage, less than 130,000 kilometers. And I was looking for a challenge, and this is it. I do like to drag home these type of vehicles with these type of problems and try to see if we can bring it back to life, prevent it from going to the wreckers or getting parted out. I want to go over the list of repairs that I wrote when I first brought the vehicle home. So first item here is cast repair, cast module repair, DME repair, that's the ECU for the engine, rear body damage left hand side, rear bumper damage left hand side, front right hand body damage, brakes, both axles. It's missing one hubcap on the right front, needs a detail, which I'm in the process of doing. Interior needs cleaning. Transmission oil pan has a nice dent in it. It must have hit something, so that has to come out, get straightened out, plus transmission service. Lower radiator hose is hanging, the clip is broken. Coolant temperature sensor wiring, oil pressure sensor wiring, wire harness cleanup. Someone's been in here before me, obviously trying to diagnose the rough idle. So some wires have been cut, poked and prodded, so I have to clean that up. Coolant reservoir bottle hose is oil soaked. So there's a hose at the bottom of the coolant reservoir that's running from the reservoir to the thermostat housing, and it looks like it's had oil dripping on it for some time, and it's kind of swollen and soaked. And just kind of check the timing chain, which I already did a month ago. It's a brand new timing chain in there, new tensioner, new guides. I forgot to mention a little bonus material here. I forgot to mention some other items I didn't write on the list. Few leaks. Valve cover gasket leak. Found that when I was inspecting the timing chain. The vacuum pump leak, which I just finished repairing. I have a video on that. Front crank seal leak. Got to do that. Oil pan gasket leak. Transmission oil pan gasket leak, and also a oil filter housing gasket leak. So those still have to be addressed. I'm trying to think what else we have here. Just a broken left rear fender marker light assembly. So that's the list of what the car needs so far. I've already started some of the repairs. I've done the rear brakes. I've had the cast module, non-communication with the key issue repaired. Now I'm going to start on the front brakes there. As you can see, it's up in the air. I've done the back body damage repair, and I've done the back bumper repair. So that's basically it for this video here. I just wanted to tell you what I got, what I dragged home here, and as I go through the repairs, I will be videotaping them and putting them up. I want to thank you very much for tuning in, and please like and subscribe. And that's it.